Afternoon, everyone. My name is Wafauzia Nur Fatimah, and my student number is 221-030-2015. Thank you very much for the opportunity that was given to me. On this occasion, I will state my statement or opinion about climate change is caused by humans. Climate change, aka the greenhouse effect, occurs when specific gases in the atmosphere act like a blanket, trapping heat that would normally escape from Earth's surface into space. As I am on the affirmative side, I certainly agree that climate change is indeed caused by humans. The scientific consensus says it all. Let's dive into the statement. Even though the greenhouse effect makes living on Earth possible for humans, at some point, human activity began to push the greenhouse effect or climate change to a whole new level. Due to this, the Earth is getting warmer and warmer, and this is known as the global warming. As a result, natural cycles and weather patterns have undergone significant changes. This has led to effects such as extreme heat, prolonged droughts, heightened flooding, more powerful storms, and a rise in sea levels. Human actions, particularly the burning of fossil fuels for energy, have caused a significant rise in the levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Since the pre-industrial era, the concentration of CO2 has increased by more than 40%. This notable increase is directly linked to human industrial activities like burning coal and oil for energy. Human influence on the climate goes beyond just emitting gases. Deforestation and changes in how we use land also play a big part in causing climate change. When large areas of forest are cleared, usually for farming or cities, the earth loses its ability to soak up carbon dioxide. Forests normally act like sponges, absorbing CO2, and when we cut them down, it makes the greenhouse effect worse, heating the planet even more, boiling even. The agreement among climate scientists is crystal clear. Numerous scientific groups like NASA, the World Meteorological Organization, and the National Academy of Sciences all say that human actions are the main reason for the changes we see in the climate. Most studies that experts review back up this idea. Rejecting or ignoring the idea that humans are affecting climate change means ignoring that the whole scientific community is trying to tell us. Though some people might say natural factors play a role in climate change, it's crucial to recognize that the speed and extent of the changes happening now go way beyond what nature would normally do. The proof strongly shows that what people are doing is the main reason. We cannot ignore the fact that we need to deal with the result of what we're doing, what humans are doing. Evidence is strong and impossible to deny. People are causing climate change. The results are serious, but recognizing our part in this gives us a chance to make a real difference. We need to act quickly to lessen the impact of what we're doing and strive for a future that's good for generations to come. Now, as I am on the opposition side, I will tell you about why climate change is not caused by humanity. First, let us all know that the Earth has a long history of climate change. Climate shift like ice ages, warm periods, and temperature ups and downs have been happening for millions of years, well before industries have started. It's important to understand that saying all climate change is because of what humans do simplifies a complicated and invariably changing system. Scientists do not all agree on how much humans are affecting climate change, although there is a general agreement that human activities play a part. The exact impact is still being researched and discussed. Natural things like volcanoes also have a big role in how the climate behaves. So it's important to think about these factors when figuring out what causes climate change. Dealing with climate change can affect the economy. It can affect our economy a lot. Like if we quickly switch from using things like coal and oil, it might make people lose their jobs, businesses, and face problems. But if they rely on old-fashioned energy sources, finding a balance between taking care of the environment and keeping the economy steady is a tricky job that requires full consideration of both sides. As a matter of fact, it is crucial to look at the details of the problem. Saying humans are the only or main reason that caused climate change simplifies the complicated Earth's climate system. We need to think about the past, the ongoing arguments among scientists, and the financial challenges linked to fixing climate change. By doing that, we can come up with better solutions and plans that work well for the future. Thank you very much.